Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Get a Snack at 5 a.m. Wow, we did get a snack at 4 a.m. We've done get a drink at 3 a.m. in a live stream, but now we're doing get a snack at 5 a.m. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I have never ever played this game, but I hope it will be pretty short because I don't feel like creating a whole new series on a complete game, even though I literally have to do them for, what is it? The 150 special. Hello there, crazy wacky wizards. I said, hey, but still, it's me, your conscience. Normally you don't hear from me at 5 a.m. But this is something important. What is it, bro? What is it? You appear to be waking up due to starvation. Okay. I suggest you do something about it. Just try not to be too loud, alright? Alright. Well, I do not know what this game okay, whoa. Okay. Wow, so let's look at the room first. Okay. Among Us trash can. Sonic. You are beneath me. What? Nintendo. Gaming console. Currently says 5. Walk-in closet, walk in here, and it's a closet. Currently 10 fails and 7 endings. Get them all. 7 endings. Okay. What's that? Okay. Well, okay, we have something over here. Who is that? Is that Samus? I don't know who is who. How to play a snack at 5 a.m. Okay. Fails are different endings which aren't needed to win. Okay. So in total there's 17 endings, I think. Let's see. I think first one would be something with the closet. Yeah. It's dark. Wait a minute. I feel like we can find a flashlight. Okay, that's our goal. Can we not turn on the computer? No. Okay, well, I just don't think there would be anything in here to get ending besides a closet ending, maybe? Okay, we can turn the lights on without the mom waking up, or dad, whichever one's in this. Okay, Baldy, it's my worst enemy ever. Okay. Who? What? Why is there... How to use the restroom Volume 2, 3rd edition revised. Okay. Warning, do not spell iCup. Okay, well, I'm not gonna. That's stupid. Alright, well, I feel like the first one would simply be this. Drinking toothpaste. Oh, no! Yeah. Fail, Colgate. Your first choice of snack was Colgate. Oh, wait, I think there's different ways to do this. Okay, retry. So, statue collection. Is there a fail collection so I know which ones I have? Or does the items like appear all around my room? Okay, so the first one we did was Colgate. I feel like there might be a toothpaste and Colgate one. Okay, wow, that is so strange. Let's see. Okay. Dude, what is this? This is a closet. It's locked. Okay. I feel like there's going to be another ending with that one. How are you up here? Here, okay, what? Okay, where's the mom and dad in this one? An entire year old. bro. Oh, okay. Alright. Well, okay, if you can move. Oh, there's gonna be something. Do not drink. I'm gonna drink it. Oh, is it gonna be expired?
He needs some milk.
Fail. You're lactose intolerant. This is the cheapest fail in the game. I'm sorry. Okay, that's funny. Okay, well, we have Colgate and milk. Wow. When are we gonna get an actual ending? How to make Kool-Aid powder and water. Oh no, the Kool-Aid ending. Isn't this my room? Hey, Dad. Why were you? Oh wait, is that not the outside? Ow. Fail. Chips. Wait. I know how to do this ending correctly. We grab the chips. We come back to the room. We eat them. And then we go back. Okay. Warning, explosion hazard. Oh no. Okay, well anyways, what we're gonna do is grab these. Do we have a dog? Okay. Well, this is my room, right? Okay. Eat. Hurry, dude, hurry! Okay, we got it! We got it! Okay, yeah, we actually got an ending for once. Let's go. Congratulations, you beat the game. Not really. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. Well, let's see. I want to go outside and see. Oh. Kids. I told the boy to drink milk. How to make a game cheap. Okay. No. Okay. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bro, just exit. Bro. Okay. Well, I know what to do now. Water. Okay. This is a closet. Yeah, we all know that. How to make Kool-Aid. Okay, well, where's the Kool-Aid packet? Is that out in the dad's room? I actually did not mean to do that. I will. Okay, dude. I wish it would say what endings we actually have. Because this is so confusing, because if I lose track, then like I don't know what to do. Okay. 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 Yo. Okay. Okay, yo. I know what we do. I know what we do. Here. Game. Oh, it's gonna be like gaming all night. Yep. Oh, we get a little animation. Oh, he. Oh. Oh, don't tell me we have to go to bed before he comes in.
Are you winning, son?
Okay. Starvation. The goal was to get a snack. Okay. Okay. Well, let's go out the front door. Okay, yo, what? Okay. I don't know if this music is copyrighted, so I'm just gonna have to talk over it. I don't know what time the 150 special will be, but just know it will be soon. I don't know if it's gonna be later today, later tomorrow, probably sometime tomorrow to maybe even next week. Because I really don't know what to do. Because while we do have Ninja Tycoon, I'm thinking about just changing the game up. Because Ninja Tycoon is really boring and there's nothing to actually complete in the game. But like I could understand something like this for the 150 special, but it's not going to be. Let's see. Please stop parking your car here. Sincerely, management. Is that Sonic? Okay. Well, anyways, let's see how we do this. Wait, there's a car? Can I steal it? Come on, let me just steal the car, okay? Alright, let's see. Guys, I don't know what I just did, but it said push and I kept pressing. And now it just like exploded and it scared me real bad. His placeholder window once had a... But he has since fallen. Not responsible for any damage sustained to mental health. What? Welcome to a random store. Placing on me here and talk to me to purchase. Okay, so this is basically just like yesterday. Only 32 customer complaints in 1 week. Keep it up. David Walker, employee of the month. Who's there? 44. Hi. Hello. Alright, let's see. Kool-Aid packet. How much does this cost? We need to get the Kool-Aid ending. Powder will cost you $10. Okay. We need to find more money. Okay. This should be about enough. Yep. Okay. So let's see. Talk. Thanks. Boom. Boom. Alright. So now we just go back here. We, get the water. Okay. This should be simple. Okay. So, I had to put the Kool-Aid packet in first. It should be fine. Just grab that. Can I wake you up? Okay, yeah, we can do that. But we're not going to do that until next ending or fail. Okay. Okay. Sleepy time. Oh no. No! Get away from me! Oh yeah. Ending. Kool-Aid. Alright. Pretty simple. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah. This ending where we just simply poker. Poke. Yo. Ow. Fail. She eats your face. Whoa. Okay, buddy. It's a little weird. I don't want you. Get back. Let me see if I can enter that. Walk-in closet. You walk in here and it's a closet. Okay, dude. How do we... I feel like we're going to need a flashlight, but I don't know where to get one. Okay, before we do that, what we're going to do... Oh, you don't have a dog? Wait a minute. Okay, guys, we're going to try to buy a lighter. Lighter will cost you 30. Okay. So what do we do? Okay, insomnia, underpaid. Okay, so I feel like that's just cashier endings. Yo, what's this? Please refrain from disposing flammable objects in the outside trash can. Don't do this. You will gain nothing. What I feel like doing is throwing the lighter away. So let's go ahead and do that. Before doing that. It said to do it, but it didn't do anything. Crap. Oh, look at this. I'm going to leave with your item. Oh, crap. Hey. No, I didn't. I don't know what you're talking about. I did not rob the store, okay? That was not me. I'm really sorry about this. But, I'm gonna drink it. Let me just drink this. I'm gonna need that back. No, Thank you, sir. You look worried. What did you think I was going to do? Murder you? That's a little extreme. What if we do it a second time? We're sorry for outdoor seating due to not having outdoors. Okay. What is that? Okay. Is it going to do anything different, or is it just not going to, like... Can I drink it? Okay, so what we're going to do is try to do one more ending, which is like the flammable thing, whatever. And then we're going to stop here for today. We might play this game again. It's kind of difficult because it doesn't show what endings you have and have not done. So, you know. Let's see. I need to find more money. Okay. Now we just go outside. Nice Roblox outfit. Go over here. Also, we might play a game. It's called Killer in Purple. I don't really know how it works, but we might start playing it. I've seen it all over the place. Oh, I love this song. I need to know what it's called. So, can I, like, buy this? Thank you very much. Alright, now we need to check this. Please refrain from disposing flammable objects in the outside trash can. Oh. Flammable object. Okay. Are we gonna get an ending? Or like... Okay. Hey, cashier? Cashier? Hey, so you might wanna, get out of the building. Cause like, you know, I think it's kinda on fire. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna... Wait, is he still inside? Wait. No, we're still inside. Let me out. Let me out. No, 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 no. Oh. Am I just not here? Cashier, I'm so sorry. No. Okay, yeah, no, 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 no. Ending arson. Surprisingly, this is the most requested. Okay. Wow. Insane. Okay, so guys, I think we can get one more ending. Oh, explosion hat. Yeah, we may want to back up. Let's see what's in the fridge. Oh, I see. We're just going to keep activating it until it explodes. Okay, so guys, it did not work for the bag of chips, but we're going to try Colgate. What if we do that? And then do that? Yeah. Bro, I'm just waiting for it to explode. Bro, what? Come on, bro. Okay, so what I feel like will work is like soda. Like a canned thing of soda in the microwave. So we're going to try that. If it does not work, I do not know what we're going to do. But anyways, like, if y'all want me to do more games like this, like get a snack at like 3, 2 a.m., like even 1 a.m., like, just tell me and I'll do it. I love games like this and backroom games, you know? Okay, back up. Bro, back up. Okay, we're so cooked. No, this is the explosion ending. Son, are you microwaving a sealed can? Whoops. Yes. Oh, he finally said something. Son, take that out right now. It's just a soda. It's not like it's going to explode or something. Oh my! Yo. 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 I think that's probably the most legendary way to end off a video for now. Anyways, I hope y'all liked this video. If y'all want more videos on this game, please like and subscribe. Okay, wrong place. Please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. We are close to 200. We're only about anyways, thank you all so much for watching. We are so close to 200. We're only about like maybe 41 away. And if we get there, honestly, I'll be surprised, because honestly, I never thought this channel would even make it to 100. This was just a stupid little silly idea project for myself, seeing if I can get to maybe 1,000 possibly, but I never thought I would have gotten this far. Thank you all so much for subscribing. Anyways, I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.